Hello, good morning. Dr. Joseph Murphy, The Power of Now. Sorry, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. How this book can work miracles in your life. Because this book works miracle in my life, then I am sharing my experience with you. Subconscious mind like a habitual mind. I have seen miracles happen to men and women in all walks of life. Over the world, miracles will happen to you too when you begin using the magic power of your subconscious mind. This book is designed to teach you that your habitual thinking and imagery mold, fashion, and create your destiny. For as a person thinker in his subconscious mind, so is he. Do you know the answer? Yes, I know the answer. Why is one person sad and another person happy? One person is stupid and another person is happy. Why is one person joyous and prosperous and another person poor and miserable? Why is one person fearful and anxious and another full of faith and confidence? One person is unconfident and the anxious and faith and confidence person is loving person. He know the love of hurt, and if he know the love of hurt, our hurt, that means he know the love all the other hurts. Why does one person have a beautiful luxurious home while another person lives out a meager existence in a slum? That's the thing. Why is one person a great success and another an abject failure? Because why is one speaker outstanding and immensely popular and another mediocre and unpopular? Mediocre is low confidence and so is he is unpopular. Why is one person a genius in her work or profession while another toils and moils all his life without doing or accomplishing anything worthwhile? Why is one person healed of a so-called incurable disease and another is not? Why is it so many good, kind, religious people suffer the tortures of the damned in their minds and bodies? Why is it many immoral and irreligious people succeed in prosper and enjoy radiant health? Because loving person is know the thing that love gives him, and he want to share the experience of love. Because only love exists and safety of love is angerness, tense of the mind, motivated? Is there an answer to this question in the working of your conscious and subconscious minds? There most certainly is. Conscious means common sense, and the subconscious means is you. And if you want something that you know yourself, and you know habit of yourself, and you and your mind and your common sense is a powerful tool to change your habitual thinking, to change your body, to change your loving nature, to change everything. My reason for writing this book means Dr. Joseph Murphy reason, but what motivated me to write this book was a deep desire to share with others the answer I have discovered to these and many similar questions. I have tried to explain the great fundamental truths of your mind in the simplest language possible. I believe that it is perfectly possible to explain the basic and fundamental laws of life and of your mind is ordinary everyday language. You will find that the language of this book is that used in your daily papers and current periodicals, in your business offices, in your home, and in the daily workshop. If you follow the book, that means you follow something else. If you follow yourself properly, that means you are right path. But you don't know the wrong or right because you don't know the truth, and truth is not exist. Actually, only the truth exists. If you are a loving person, then you are a truthful. If you are angry person, that means you are blundered in your mind. Your body is a ship, and your mind is the driver of the ship. You want where the ship going, then you work where and ship going there, because body works where, heart dancing where. Body works where your heart wants there, because priceless thing in your body is only heart, and the heart is everywhere. every hum every human being have a heart, that and the beat of heart gives you all the time new direction, because this beat is universal beat, and your courage only know the beat of your heart. And if you are courageous, you dancing with your beat of heart in every situation, every possibility, anywhere, everywhere, because you are natural. If you're natural, you are flowing, So why should you don't flowing? You don't happy? Why should